Hello, welcome to the channel. So today I have my drift car out. Yeah, sorry about the other video. They got cut off early because I accidentally clicked the power button on my phone and it didn't record the rest of the video. So I will, in the next video, I will go over there and crawl the crawler. I will probably crawl the SCX-24 and the Capra. So today I thought I'd show you the setup I run. I have this little stand now that I'm going to put on the floor. And then I'm going to set my remote over here. I'm going to pause the video. No, I'm not. Okay. So, yeah, sorry guys. I live by a highway, so it's kind of loud. So, I'm just going to set this on the floor real quick. So, okay. Sorry for the wait. I got it. So this is what I run. I run the... Shoot. I forgot what it was called. I run the VDF. And on my VDF, it is belt driven. I'm running a smart battery with the FlySky BS6. This servo comes with gyro. Here, I will need to turn on the remote first. As you can hear, it's on. Now I turn the car on. As you can see, I shake the car this way. The car has gyro. Go ahead and turn this off while I'm just doing this. These tires are brand new. They actually just came in the mail today. So, these are my new tires. These are 5 spokes, which are my favorite type of tire. My bad. They are 6 spokes. I have a Traxxas servo that I definitely am thinking about getting a Savix high-speed servo. And then over here I have my Castle ESC, and then I have a Castle drag racing motor. I was impatient and I didn't really research before I got into my drift car. I just was like, hey, drift cars are super cool and I kind of want one. I did drive it just a tad bit while I was sick. So these parts right here, if I remember correctly, these are called the drive shafts. I took out my drive shafts and tried to run it with a rear wheel drive setup. But since I took it out, I tried doing freewheel, so to where the wheels just spin freely, and that didn't work. It just spun in circles. So it's back to 4-wheel drive. And as you guys know, I run the R34 with headlights. Right now, it only has one headlight on each side. I plan on re-putting in the other headlights. I'm gonna work on that tonight. I'm gonna work on putting the other 2 headlights in. And my track is just my concrete pad that I have. I have 2 water bottles set up to drift around. And then I have big logs. As you can see, I have several pieces of like outer wall barrier. So that way I don't go like drifting into the rebar or over that. Or worst of all, I don't have it here. That's where I need it the most, so that way I don't like slide off. But I swept it already, so it's ready to drift on. Oh look, there's an ant. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna set everything up, and then I will start drifting. And remember how in the video I put annoying dogs? Those are the annoying dogs. They do nothing but bark. So if I'm drifting and they start barking, I apologize. Okay, so, oh, sorry, don't know what I did there, my bad. Okay, so, pause the video right now, set everything up, start drifting. Okay, so I changed my mind. I went with this wood block and it, so I'm gonna set it up. Sorry for the wait. Sorry, I accidentally keep clicking buttons on my videos. So I might just get an app to add the two together. I think I'm gonna go with Vlogstar because I see a lot of people use Vlogstar. So I'm just gonna set up the drift car on camera. So, oh no, that's not good. In my drift car, my wire has come undone. As you can see, there's a piece of duct tape there. It goes under the duct tape, and then it gets taped together. Oh, and in case anybody wondered why the back windshield was sticker bombed, that's where my body posts are connected. There's the front ones, there's the rear ones. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this down. I had dropped my thing in here. There's spider webs all down in there. And in case anybody was wondering, when I started drifting, I had originally, this is my absolutely first drift car. So I didn't really do a lot of research on it before I started, and so my next car I'm gonna get is definitely gonna be a rear-wheel drive car. Okay, so what I just did was I plugged it in. Now I grab my FlySky GT5, flip on, and then I just like to use my knee. Just go like that. Okay. Make sure it's set on 2, and on my Capra. My Capra also runs off the FlySky with both of the same receivers. So, and then I flip this on to turn on the Castelia seat. Does its little tone, and then you set this bad boy on here, and you're good to go. So, I'm going to set you guys here, and I hope that my videos don't turn out super bad for you guys. I want it to be good, but I just don't have the stuff to make it extremely good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start drifting. And I'm sorry because these dogs might start barking. This is also my first drive outside. Actually, my first drive at all with my brand new tires. Here we go. Oh, that's good. Ooh, that is no bueno. So I'm just going to, I don't care if you guys see me, I'm just going to walk over here, pick this up. What do you guys think right there? Yeah, that looks about right. Okay, and then I'm going to sit down, I'm going to start again. I'm just not very good anymore. So what my car originally did was my car front wheels, they weren't attached all that great, and the actual tire would come off the rim, so it would just spin freely in the rim, which made it a lot easier for me to drift. But I have to relearn how to start drifting with the four-wheel drive. For some reason, I always record when it's getting late. Oops, my bad. I'm gonna go fix that. Sorry for all the car noise. Like I said, I live next to a highway. And as you guys have already seen, my house is right next to a Family Dollar. So everybody's always driving down my road to get there. So I'm just gonna continue drifting. Like I said, guys, this is basically me restarting from nothing. Just relearning the works. I know, it's not good to drive with my car with my body like that. Oh, and in case you're wondering, I'm having my dad judge me. So, you see, I don't know if you could see it, but right there, it says C1. So what I'm kind of doing is I'm doing that thing. As you guys know, in drifting, there's different classes. I'm going off of a YouTuber I like named, I'm pretty sure if anybody ever watches this channel, they probably know who Chris Fix is. Chris Fix has a Mustang drift car, and he has different classes. Like right now, last time I saw, he was in class 2, but when he was in class 1 with his Mustang, he always spun out and wasn't doing very good. Like me, I'm spinning out and not doing very good. So I just drift until I think I'm good enough, and then I'll call my dad out here. And I probably won't record it, but I'll probably record after saying, hey, look, I got in to what my dad considers class 2. And as I do that, yeah, never mind. I'm still doing that, just trying to think of what to say. But I'm just going to go ahead and start this again. A little too wide. Like that drift right there was very bad, because I started this way and I spun against the wall all the way there. Dang, guys, look. I just saw this. We already got wear on the tire. Fun. I am wearing my blue hat. Okay. Don't mind that. That was just like random thinking. I did that immediate reverse out because I almost hit the... Pretty sure you guys heard it, but I did that immediate reverse out because I was about to hit that water ball. Ooh. That was close, but I did not hit it. Ooh. Oh. So as you guys saw in my profile picture, I had a paint can in the middle, and that's what I used to drift around. But if you look very carefully, actually you probably don't have to look carefully, you can see all the white splatter. So I left it up here, and it was nighttime and I was drifting around it. And then the next day, it turns out my dad was going to change his oil on his truck. And he brought it, oh dang, you hear that? There's a red Jeep at the Family Dollar that has an inline 6. Very cool Jeep. But he ran it over and he smashed it, and then I had to clean his truck. But you guys probably don't care about that. But just telling you guys what happened with paint can. So I'm just gonna put you back and start drifting again. Okay, you guys are back. Okay. I hope you guys can see around this water bottle, because this is my main water bottle I drift around. Actually, I'll go ahead. Oops. Floor. Oh, sorry. My phone isn't listening now. Okay. So, this is the main water bottle I'm going to practice around. Actually, I'm going to go remove the other water bottle until I think I can control my car good enough to go around there. Put it right there. Actually, I'm gonna put it over here. Actually, down here. I don't know if you guys saw. Well, you guys definitely saw, but I had a spool, a big wooden spool. That's actually what I sit on. I did something wrong there. I must have engaged too quickly. Guys, I'm gonna actually just turn off my gyro and see if I can drift a little bit better without the gyro. Never mind, I drift worse without the gyro, so I'm just gonna turn it back on. Ooh. See, I don't drive my car when it's hanging. I don't mind if it's hanging by the side. But if it's like that, I will come over here and pick it up. I also gotta pick up the water bottle too. Oh, right up. Oh, there we go. Oops. That was luck, but I didn't know if you guys saw that. Ooh, my bad. I accidentally reversed into the camera. Wow, thanks guys, I reversed into you and it fixed my body. Dang it. There it goes. Ready. This video is probably long enough already, so
I'm going to try and do 2 circles around it. And if I get the 2 circles, I'll stop the video. If I don't, I'll still stop the video. So, either way, I'm stopping the video. But I'm going to try and get 2 circles. But I want 2 clap emojis. If I get it right. If I get it. Yep, definitely didn't get it. Let me just see. Just drifting around a little bit to give you guys my signature ending. The boop.